Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Igor. I'm co-founder of YouHotel Smart Solution company. And our team consists of people with more than 20 years of experience in tourism and software engineering. So we created what we call a digital concierge platform. The idea behind is to make a generic platform and allow accommodations and travel service providers to create their own content and be a part of the whole ecosystem. For example, hotels, DMC companies, excursions, transfer companies, etc. Everybody in one generic and unified application with their own look and feel. So when we started this, because we have detected these kind of problems in current touristic environment. Hotels which don't have any digital concierge system normally have a lack of staff to process all the requests from the tourists. Very few point of contact with the tourist, impossibility to send them personal offer or somehow influence on their behavior. And this results in up to 30 or 40% of not received incomes. It's valid for both hotels and external service providers like experiences, activities, etc. And this market is very huge. There is more than 1 billion travelers per year doing their vacation or traveling for business, and they spend more than $500 billion or euros during these vacations. And of course, market share is very huge. Our target customers are any inbound agencies or receiving companies, vacational rentals, hotels, DMCs, etc. So the platform itself consists of four main elements. It's mobile application for customers. It's customizable for any hotel or DMC. Mobile application for staff, which are receiving the incoming requests, chat, communication, anything. Operational web console for managers, which can receive requests and follow it to forward it to a corresponding department or responsible person. And management web console for creating content, imagery, functionality, etc. The system consists of 40 modules, which being combined can represent any kind of necessary functionality for this concierge system. So, example of direct interaction with such services might be front desk, messenger to whichever department, food and beverage, restaurant, spa reservation, external excursion reservations, transfer, whatever, actually. And the idea is that partners can launch their own service themselves. So it's completely self-service service. They will sign up, they explore the existing templates, full their content, imagery, services, prices for room service, for example, and just publish the application. It will be instantly available within our generic app. And in this way, the user acquisition is not on our part, but on their part. So hotels will be responsible of making their guests to download and use the app. DMC companies the same, etc. So our unit cost is actually 0. And this is business model, how it works. We have incomes on commission, based on commission of 5 to 15%. Of any paid service provided through the app. For non-paid services, we don't charge anything. And destination management companies are responsible of introducing this platform to the hotels because they are interested in selling their services. Okay. And the current situation is that we already launched several projects in Spain, in Turkey, and Emirates. They were functioning during 3 months as a pilot version. We got some metrics there. For example, that download rate is about 40%. Active users are more than 25% of the ones who download it, so they consume the services, they use the application, and they're quite happy because we received the feedback. And till this moment, we got around 300,000 euros of investment, and monthly burn rate right now is 25K. Which is very few, actually, for this kind of platform we created. And our expansion forecast is to start in Middle East, Europe, in upcoming year, and go spreading to Asia, Europe, etc. And later on, we'll go to America and Australia. This is revenue forecast. Till 22, begin 22, it's more or less stable because first we need to build a network of local partners and these companies who will distribute later the application. So, and then we expect the exponential growth in 22. And the action plan would be to work on this distribution, local distribution, to improve the product itself, although it's production ready at this moment. So this will result that we need around 1 million investment for these upcoming 2 years. I'm running out of time. Thank you very much.